Hi, my name is Julie Farlinger, and I'm going to take you through my Dynamic Pages project, the ASP.NET website. To go along with the season, I decided to do my project on camping. I used the campground that my family spends a lot of time in during the summer. So this is the website, starting with the login page. I've added a username and password for the testing purposes, but I will show you that if you enter an invalid password or username and password that are not in the table that contains the data for username and password and hit submit, error message will come up saying that the username and password combination is invalid. So I'll go ahead and enter in what was there for testing purposes to show this is information that is in the table, and that'll then direct us to the activities page. I used the activities page, which instead of the which is my data view page. However, I also added a welcome page or a home page, and so in most cases, after the user logs in, it would redirect them to the home page, but for the sake of the project, I redirected them to the data view page. So this page is set up so that the information from the schedules table will display in the grid view area here. Users can update the data. I'll just update this to 9:30. They can delete the data, or they can come down here and add data to the table as well. I'm going to go ahead and enter mini golf. And when I save it to the database, I do have a breakpoint set up. So it's going to show us here the string SQL that was put in for that button save event. And when I step over these here and we go over to this string SQL and blow this up a little bit, you'll see that the information that I entered has now been put into the string SQL variable, and it's going to then refresh the grid. So when it ends this routine, the data that I just entered is right here in the grid view and now in the table as well. I also entered a map of the campground. And I have my, there we go, sorry about that, my buttons for the video came up on there. And I also put a contact us page and a project documentation page where I added the site colors, the site pages, some reflections, and then my layout of the individual pages here. So that is my Dynamic Pages project. Thank you very much.